Here's how you're going to fix the unprotected warning on your VPN in less than 2 minutes. Today, I will show you in a step-by-step guide what this warning actually means, when you should actually worry, and how to restore your privacy. First, look at your screen when the red unprotected banner appears. This simply means your device is not currently routing traffic through an encrypted tunnel, so your personal IP address, physical location, and browsing activity are visible to your internet service provider and public Wi Fi networks. Next, know when this is a real security threat. You only need to worry if this warning stays on your screen after multiple connection attempts, or if the VPN drops unexpectedly while you are actively transferring sensitive data or connected to an untrusted public Wi Fi network. So, what you're going to do in order for you to fix this is to just look at the connect button right here at the top. You're just going to tap the primary quick connect button located directly in the center of your dashboard menu to force the app to renegotiate a fresh cryptographic handshake with the nearest server location. Then look closely at the status icon on your display panel and verify that the red banner turns into a green shield icon displaying your new virtual IP address and location coordinates. Now, once everything is set, your status indicator displays a verified green protected state and your online activity stays completely private. Following these simple steps makes understanding and fixing your VPN status quick and easy.